Welcome back to my video tutorials. From previous tutorials we have seen how to create and how to change permissions of specific files, and in this we are going to master that so that we make sure that we know what we are doing. And from now we know some commands like this one, showing you who has created the files and what permission does files has, like this one. Now we are going to keep playing around changing the permission of the files, because this is the root for Linux system. Everything starts with files, and you need to know how to manipulate them so that you have right and full control over your files. Okay, and from previous tutorials we have seen change mode, and we have seen that you can use plus, read write, or your name you want to change your files. And you have seen that this is equal to 6 stand for these characters I'm writing here. So now this is read write. Okay, now this is not going to change anything, because you can see my files here, which is name, already have a permission of read write for both type of users. So I want to show you how can you remove that read write permission to that files. So instead of using plus sign, use negative sign. So now hit enter. Now okay, this negative L, you can see that this permission is so sucking. Nobody has anything to do with these files. Even me, I cannot edit, I cannot read, but the others, maybe group and the others, can write on these files, but they cannot see anything in that files. It's like you're giving someone to write on a files that has some contents, and he's not able to see the contents that is in that files. So in that case, if I need to nano to read the files, we learn how to use nano. You see that I'm not able to read the files contents. Okay, now Control Z X, and now we are not able to read the files now, because we applied this permission. But if we want to get that permission getting back, we add plus sign and see what's going on. You can see that read write permission is also granted. So in the same manner, you can also change mode using 6 instead of adding this command. So read write stand by, or we can be replaced by 6. So now we've learned that this first 6 stand for in place of the user who's creating the document. The second 6 stand for the other users, group users, and the last one stands for other kind of type of users. Now let's say that you need to be able to read the files, and you want the other people to not be able to read the files. Okay, you can see that currently I can see that I'm able to read the files. Group have the right to read the files too, and the others has the lead right permission to read the files. So what if I don't want, and I want only me to read the files, and other people has nothing to do with it, even reading, seeing anything. So I can use 0 instead of giving them any kind of permission. So now let's see the new permission we have. You can see that it's only me who has the permission to read and write on these files. The other people will not be even seeing the files that it exists, right? So if I try to read nano name, I can see these files, but if there is another user who's trying to read this file, let's say it is Sue, and Sue is trying to read, we have seen this command before, how we can read, and change it to desktop ls. Sorry, you can see that this user is not able to read the files. Okay, so active guest have seen this command to navigate among the users and clear. Now cd change directory to Richard ls. You can see that ls that this name, I'm the only one who is able to read and write on this folder, but this file. So now you can also change mode to be me who has read write permission, and 1 for the others name. So once you hit this command, you can see that 1 stands for execute permission. So that it's like you're giving the other people, suppose that this is a program and then you're giving the other people to run that program, so but without modifying any line of code of this program. If it's a program, in that case it can be more understandable to give them the right to execute the files instead of writing to the files, because guys, if they write to your files, there is a big chances that they can break up your things and they can kill your system. So you can use 2, and 2 stand for write. Okay, if you want to give the other people the permission to write on the files, you use 2. Okay, and if you want to, let's use 3 and see what give us. 3 combine write and execute. Okay, and you give them the right to write on the files and execute them. Okay, that's fine. And for and it's going to give permission to read, and 5, guess what, it will give permission to do what? See, and 5 is going to give them execute right. So now guys, thank you for completing these tutorials of changing permissions. I hope you have got enough idea of what file permission is about and why do we need to care about file permissions, and I hope this is going to help you in the journey of Linux system life. Thank you so much for watching my tutorials. Subscribe if you like it, and place like button if you like it. Thank you.